which is practical exam of biochemistry and physiology. I am studying for biochemistry right now. I need to fasten my speed to cope up with the syllabus.
Do it sad, do it angry, do it heartbroken, do it miserable, do it excited, do it energized, do it happy, do it tired, do it confident, do it discouraged. Do it anyway.
Looking back at being young and feeling small in the world, playing with angels, holy pages, busy doing the work. Now we're standing in the present, and I hope you're amazed by everything you dream to help you get to this place.
It's on you.
Your biggest enemy is you.
One day or day one.
I will never quit, because if you quit, you're done.
Get back to fucking work.
That when it feels scary to jump, that is exactly when you jump.
Hi guys, so basically it's currently 10 p.m. right now and I am going to put all-nighters because I have my finals on Wednesday and today is Monday, and that is of 2 subjects together, and that is physiology and biochemistry, both subjects. And for biochemistry I didn't even start studying and I had to complete the whole syllabus, like whole year syllabus together. And for physiology I think I'm going to do most of the important topics that I know that are like from PYQs and everything. So it's currently 3 a.m. right now. I studied approx for 3 hours. Now I am pretty tired. I completed 3 chapters, one for the thyroid. I learned like thyroid functions, thyroid disorders, hypothyroidism and everything. Then I completed my oxytocin, adrenal cortex. I completed my anterior pituitary hormone, which is most important one, the growth hormone. And I made Maggie because I was pretty hungry, and never ever even in my life I made Maggie, or I like to eat Maggie. I know it's different, but I don't like to eat Maggie. But if you are a hostel student or PG student, रात को भूख लगेगी तो मैगी खानी ही पड़ेगी. For the first time I make Maggie in the kettle. I don't like Maggie, but still I completed a lot of it, and I'm trying to study for just 1 more hour then I'm going to sleep because I am like sitting from 11 o'clock studying. And I did take breaks. Like I made tea, which is the worst tea I ever tasted. I made Maggie, and then I studied 3 chapters, which is less. I should study more. Oh guys, let me tell you one story. Today's exam got cancelled. I don't know why, how. Not today. I mean, yesterday exam got cancelled. I don't know how. Why? Nothing. Just we are sitting there for the exam, waiting for the exam paper, and suddenly the news came that exam is going to cancel, and I was like, what the fuck? I did prepare for that exam. I prepared for it 3 days. But the exam got cancelled. I'm not very happy about it that the exam got cancelled. Now I'm going to study for just one more hour and completed my last chapter. I'm going to complete the last chapter, that is pancreas, because insulin is important in pancreas, right? Never ever in my life I learned a chapter by single reading. I need to read the chapter for 3 to 4 times, then I'm going to make notes, then I'm going to learn it. That's how I learned. I use a technique called active recall, as you all know. Reading reading a one single page, and then after completing the page I close the book and read out loud or say it loud what is the chapter. As you can hear my voice, I am so tired right now. It's 3 o'clock in the morning.
प्रैक्टिकल की तैयारी पढ़ो आपको पढ़ते हुए दिखाना काम है। मेरे 2 प्रैक्टिकल और इसका एक ही है।
ये हाइपोग्लोसल है, ठीक है। मैग्नम में लोअर पार्ट ऑफ उसमें जाएगा, ठीक है। C1 से ट्रांसपाइनल आर्टरी जाएगा, और फिर ये आ गया
देखना ये देखिए आप, ये थोड़ा सा मैग्नम हो गया, सबसे पहले बोल के देना ये है लेजर के अंदर से सारी निकल कर अंदर जाती है। और एक एक्सटर्नल अकॉस्टिक क्रिएटर्स ये रहा बाहर वाला, और अंदर में इंटरनल अकॉस्टिक क्रिएटर्स होते हैं। और इंटीरियर हो गई